Then the Lord stretched out his hand and touched my mouth. And the Lord said to me, Behold, hear me. I have put my words in your mouth. Verse 10. See, I have appointed you.
See.
Bheka.
Bengaboni before.
Yeah.
Ekaleni azangathi see. Uthi I have appointed you, but he didn't say see. Now open your eyes. You are becoming something. See.
Bheka. Bona.
Now see. You are about to become. Open your eyes. See.
Amehlo akho ubone.
So many,
Abaningi
they remain chosen
basala bakhethiwe
without seeing.
kodwa bangaboni.
They remain chosen but without seeing.
Bahlala nje
Meaning they
bakhethiwe
don't
bangaboni.
become.
Kusho ukuthi ababi.
Now, first epistles
Incwadi yokuqala
of John,
kaJohn
chapter 1,
ukuqala
verse 1.
verse yokuqala.
We are speaking of the word
Sikhuluma
which we have seen, which
ngezwi
we have touched.
esithintile.
Now, Jeremiah, see,
Jeremiah bona.
God has touched. God has just touched his mouth.
Uthinta umlomo
Now,
wakhe.
Jeremiah, see,
Bona ke Jeremiah.
so that when you go and speak, you speak of the one who you have touched from the beginning, so that you can become
Uzoba.
the very same word that was there in the beginning.
Izwi lona elalikhona eqaleni.
Repeat and go on.
See, I have appointed you this day over the nations.
See, Jeremiah was not seeing.
Ngiyangaboni uJeremiah.
Now see,
Bona.
the second appointment comes with seeing. See,
Qoka kwesibili kuza nokubona.
so many remain with the first without seeing.
Abaningi basala.
Now you are a prophet, but you don't see.
Umprofeti kodwa awuboni.
His ways are not your ways. His thoughts are, you don't see.
Awuboni.
Now you prophesy without the ways of God.
Kodwa nginayindlela zikaNkulunkulu.
You heal the sick without the thoughts of God.
Kodwa nginamcabango
You don't see
kaNkulunkulu.
yet.
Awukabonanga kwamanje. Okanye awuboni.
Now God touches his mouth.
uNkulunkulu uthinta
After
umlomo wakhe.
touching his mouth, he
Awuthinta
says,
umlomo
see,
wakhe. Uthi bona.
see.
Bona.
So the word can come
Izwi lingeza.
and tell you you were chosen
Likutshela ukuthi ukhethe
before the world began.
ngaphambi komhlaba
If
ukhethe.
you don't see, you will fumble.
Uma ungaboni ke vele uzohlanhlatha phuma endleleni.
You might compromise along the way ngoba uzibona ukuthi sowuyini kuNkulunkulu. That's why you backslide, because you don't
Lapho
see.
wena emuva ngoba awuboni.
Awubona ukuthi sowuyini. Kululu kwenzani? Now Jesus comes and says, don't you know that those whom the word of the Lord came to,
Labizwi likaNkulunkulu.
your Lord called them gods.
Banibizwa ngoNkulunkulu.
Ithi umthetho wena nibabiza ngoNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Imagine backsliding as God.
Buyele emuva njengoNkulunkulu.
Backsliding as God.
Buyele emuva njengoNkulunkulu.
God does not backslide.
uNkulunkulu hayi cha buyele emuva.
Now you backslide. You did not see what you have become.
Awuyahlubuka ngoba ubonanga ukuthi ube yini.
You think you are still a boy.
Ucabanga ukuthi usesewumfana.
You are still a girl.
Useseyintombazana.
Yet the word
Kanti izwi
was already producing godliness in you.
vele beseselizala ubuNkulunkulu.
God was already bringing you to his judgment, to his thoughts, to his mind. You are now becoming like him, judging things like him.
Uhlulela izinto njengoba yena hlulela. Noma ubheka izinto ngendlela abheka ngayo.
You see as he sees.
Ubona
You
ngendlela.
judge as he judges.
Uhlulela ngendlela ehlulela
How
ngayo.
can you backslide?
Ubuyela njani emuva na?
You are judging yourself.
Uhlulela wena.
You are going to bury yourself.
Uyozingcwaba wena.
Go on.
See, I have appointed you this day over the nations and over the kingdoms.
Over one and over the kingdoms.
Ngaphezu kwemibuso.
You'll get this now. You might be a prophet.
Ngenzeka ube umprofeti.
If God did not touch your mouth
uNkulunkulu angawuthintanga umlomo
and
wakho
said, see,
athi bheka
and you are going to deal with kingdoms,
besulwisana nemibuso
kingdoms will finish you.
ayokuqeda nya imibuso
Because you don't see yet.
ngoba usengakaboni
You have not yet become.
usengakabanga.
I've appointed you above kingdoms.
Ngikuqokile ngaphezu kwemibuso.
The first statement, a prophet of nations.
Uqala uthi ze umprofeti wesizwe. Wezizwe.
Now because you see
Ngoba
kingdoms,
uyabona imibuso.
I'll repeat. He said, I've appointed you as a prophet over nations. Before I was
Bheke umprofeti phezu kwezizwe.
now ngobe sekamthithilim uthi bona.
Yeah.
Basabona uthi ngikhethe phezu kwemibuso. Ayizizwe maye phezu kwemibuso. Akasakhulumi ngezizwe maye. So now you go as a prophet of nations,
Uhamba
not
njengomprofeti
above
wezizwe.
kingdoms.
Kodwa ngaphezulu ungekho ngaphezulu.
Not above kingdoms. So you go to nations, but there are kingdoms waiting for you.
Kodwa imibuso
Because you don't see,
ngoba
you will
ubona
fall into a ditch.
uzowela ebugodini.
Because you don't see, you don't have the weight.
Ngoba ubona unalo izwi
But you are a prophet.
kodwa ungumprofeti.
Now you will prophesy izinto zezizwe. Because you are a prophet of nations, you are not yet complete.
Yeah, usengakapheleliswa uphelelanga.
Not yet over kingdoms.
Awukho ngaphezulu kwemibuso.
Repeat and go on. So many are not aware. They end up following prophets of nations.
Baloko balandela abaprofeti bezizwe.
But the kingdom of darkness,
Kodwa umbuso obumnyama.
abakhona ukuyiwisa. Now you thought you now know God because you met a prophet of nations. You didn't
Ngoba
meet
ukuthi wazi uNkulunkulu ngoba uhlala umprofeti.
an instrument that became the axe.
Awuhlangabezana
in the hands of
awuhlangananga
God, the battle axe.
nethuluzi eselibe yinkemba yempi esandleni
That one nakeza
sikaNkulunkulu.
ayinkemba. Yalimaza. Izwi lakhe lehlaba. Ama teachings wakhe anzima. Because he's a battle axe.
Ngoba inkemba yempi.
Intshumayelo zakhe ziyakhuba. Asingena kithi. Because sifuna ukukuyenza ukuthi ufike ezingeni loNkulunkulu. Anazi ukuthi izwi laba izwi elize kibo. Uthi umthetho wenu bangoNkulunkulu na. Usho Jesu utshela abaFarisi uthi anazi na. Ukuthi wena umthetho utele leso lo unkolo leyo akwazi ukususwa. Imagine when the word comes to you,
Cabanga izwi maliza kuwe.
making you to become
Likwenza uthi ube
the very same thing you touched from the beginning.
yona lento yayikhona ekuqaleni.
Repeat and read there.
See, I have appointed you this day over the nations and over the kingdoms.
Hey, whoa. And over what? So imibuso, God promised one thing, I will deliver you, I will protect you.
Khulula
I've
ngikuvikele.
appointed you over kingdoms. So
Ngikubekile ngaphezulu
you're in
kwemibuso.
trouble. Imibuso ilwa nawo. Imibuso obumnyama yenzani? Ilwa nawo, iyakuprothela yenzani? I'm appointed above them and God said you will deliver me. I carry on.
Size uzongikhulula ngiyaqhubeka.
I carry on. I'm not going to pray against the kingdoms. No,
Angeke
I'm
ngikhulekise
above
lemibuso.
kingdoms.
Ngingaphezulu kwemibuso.
And God said I will protect you, I will deliver you.
uNkulunkulu uthi uzongivikela futhi angikhulule.
God,
See, I have appointed you this day over the nations and over the kingdoms.
okay, over what? And over.
Phezulu kwezizwe.
Okay, go to verse 4. Uzwe, ungitshela ukuthi uzoyiva i-kingdoms na.
Verse 4. Now the word of the Lord came to me saying, verse 5, before I formed you in the womb, I knew you and approved of you as my chosen instrument. And before you were born, I consecrated you to myself as my own. I have appointed you as a prophet to the nations.
Where's kingdoms? Does it mention kingdoms? Nations. And God makes a statement first. Before you were formed in your mother's womb, I consecrated you to myself.
Uthi hlukanisile.
Now, when it says nations,
Makathi ezizweni.
it means now, sengikunikelile. Ngiyokunikela kuphi? Ezizweni. But later, we am correct. You are not going to go as a prophet
Awuyohamba njengomprofeti nje.
who's without
Ongena
the beginning
siqalo
that must become.
lezi kufanele sibe.
Who's without the word that was there in the beginning and the word
Ongenalo
became
izwi
flesh.
elalikhona ekuqaleni, izwi selibe inyama.
Now, Jeremiah 20. Jeremiah says, Nkosi, sengisaba ukukhuluma ngawe. Ngoba ngathi ungidisivile. But nanoma ngithi ngivala umlomo wami. Uthi izwi lakho lishise emathambeni. Mara bamthinta umlomo, it entered. The word entered.
Izwi langena.
Ayiphelelanga kuphi? Jeremiah was not close to God with his lips. His entire body, even the bones,
Umzimba
even the
wakhe,
flesh.
namathambo,
So
nenyama.
if the word was like fire in my bones, it means my
Malifana
entire
nomlilo
being.
emathanjeni wami. Kusho ukuthi ubumina bami bonke.
Bovutha ngezwi. Uthi noma ngithi ngiyathula ngikhona, ngizithola ngikhulumile ngawe. It means I can't backslide.
Wazi ubuyele emuva.
My bones are already on fire.
Vela amathambo wami
Nyasha, noma ngathi ngithi ngibuyele emuva nyasha. Mangathi ngiyalala ngithandaza nyasha. Mangathi angifast nyasha. Mangathi angimeditate nyasha. Mangicabanga ukubuyela emuva nyasha. Mangicabanga disobedience nyasha. Mangicabanga ukungayenza into ethile esontweni nyasha. The way it has entered your body.
izwi lingene emzimbeni wakho.